Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this session, we'll explore how to dynamically convert words between singular and plural forms in JavaScript. This is useful for text-based applications, using interfaces, and natural language processing. Let's get started. This function allows us to dynamically pluralize words based on a given number, and even supports irregular plural forms using a dictionary. This function determines the plural form dynamically, and if a dictionary is provided, it ensures irregular plural words are handled correctly. This approach ensures that we can handle both irregular and irregular pluralization dynamically, making it very flexible. This function provides both simple pluralization using S and advanced dictionary-based conversions for irregular words. This method is widely used in UI design, content formatting, and interactive applications where text needs to be adjusted dynamically. This wraps up our lesson. We've learned how to pluralize words dynamically in JavaScript. Try implementing this in your projects to improve text formatting. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.